Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, a reminder all of us need this summer to stay hydrated during the summer heat. Shamela Pullen has our story.
Worldwide, temperatures are rising. Family physician Dr. Orville Nemard says this is likely to continue for some time due to climate change. It's why he recommends we stay out of the sun between the peak hours of 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily. Dr. Nemard says too much sun exposure can put one at risk for many things, including dehydration.
Remember that our bodies are 60% water, and water is essential to regulating body temperature, to transporting nutrients to cells, to removing waste from the body, maintaining lubrication of joints, and so on. So if we don't maintain our hydration, then all of these factors get affected.
To know if you're dehydrating, look for signs like dry mouth, extreme thirst, and lightheadedness. Certain groups are also at a greater risk.
The most vulnerable individuals will be those at the extremes of life, children and the elderly. Children, because their body actually proportion of water is actually higher than those of us of adults, so they even need it more. Adults, because of age, and the elderly, because they're more prone to dehydration. Some of them are bedbound, not able to fend for themselves. So you have to ensure that you're actually working and thinking for them and making sure they're having additional fluids even without them asking for it.
The amount of fluid you take in varies based on a number of factors.
The principal way to maintain your hydration is to have water. Drink copious amounts of water. Some persons prefer to flavor their water, which you can do with fruits or with vegetables. The advice is to avoid the sugary drinks because that brings another set of issues with it. But maintain your hydration, and one simple way to recognize how well hydrated you are is just the color of your urine. So the darker the color of the urine usually means the less hydrated you are.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.